Hey guys, it's Sydney, and I'm one of the interior designers at James T. Davis. Today we're going to talk about choosing the right roller cover for your painting project. Before starting your painting project, it's important to choose a roller that works for the surface you are painting. If you're tackling a small area, choose a 4-inch trim roller. If you're tackling a larger area, a 9-inch roller is best. Once you've picked the correct roller for your project, it's time to choose a roller cover. When choosing a roller cover, there are different nap lengths to consider. In general, the longer the nap, the more paint it will hold. For a smooth or fine surface, a 1/4-inch nap is ideal. This roller cover is great for new walls, ceilings, wood doors, and trim. For smooth or lightly textured walls, you want to go with a little shorter nap. Use the 3/8-inch roller cover. Your best all-purpose roller cover for walls and medium to rough texture, choose the 1/2-inch nap. Finally, for rough surfaces like textured walls, ceilings, and concrete, choose a 3/4 or 1-inch nap. So that's it. Grab a pan and a roller and start painting. And if you have any questions about your next project, stop by and see us.